the table are several vacuum flasks. The vacuum flask was first invented by Scottish scientist James Dewar in the year 1892. It was originally designed to keep extremely cold liquefied gas, such as liquid hydrogen. For more than 100 years, the design hasn't been changed too much. Let's take a detailed look of a vacuum flask. This is the top cover. This is the inner cover. It's made of plastic with trapped air inside. This is the bottom support. Here is the main body of the vacuum flask. The inner part is a plastic container. As you can see, its thick wall is a double-walled vacuum flask with silver layer inside so as to prevent energy loss by conduction, convection, and radiation. The main purpose of the inner part is to protect the glass vacuum flask from breaking. This is the inner cover. It's made of plastic with trapped air inside. Why we trap air inside the cover? Why the inner cover is made of white color? This is the bottom support. Why the bottom support is made of plastic? Think about that.
Three examples of heat transfer by radiation. A. Vacuum flasks and vacuum cookers. A vacuum flask can reduce heat transfer by conduction, convection, and radiation. Refer to Figure 4.3H for details. A vacuum cooker works similarly. A layer of air reduces heat conduction, similar to the vacuum in vacuum flasks. The inner surface are painted silvery to reduce heat loss by radiation. The lid, made of insulator, can reduce heat loss by conduction as well as by convection. B. Greenhouse. A greenhouse is made of glass, which lets radiation from the sun goes in. The contents are heated up and become warm and start to radiate themselves. However, those radiations emitted inside cannot escape as they have lower frequency, which cannot pass through glass. Eventually, radiation from the sun are trapped inside a greenhouse, and the temperature inside increases. So, even in winter, a greenhouse can keep itself warm. To regulate the temperature in a greenhouse, there are ventilation windows that allow warm air inside to escape to the atmosphere when the inside temperature is too high. Experiment 4D. Heating trapped air.
Take the temperature readings on the thermometers A and B. Switch on the lamp and take the temperature readings after about 20 minutes. Switch off the lamp and take the temperature readings after about 20 minutes.
C. Cooking. Some cookers use infrared to cook. Energy is transferred to the cookware and the cookware conducts heat to the food inside. D. Radiant heater. Radiant heater emits infrared radiation. The radiation emitted is absorbed directly without warming the surrounding air. It has high energy efficiency. Example 6. Thermocup. A thermocup has a similar structure of a vacuum flask. Nevertheless, there are some common misconceptions about how a thermocup works. Please read the solution carefully. Exam link 2. Storing cold salad. Salad is seldom stored using foam container. Salad should be stored in aluminum container instead. The paper lid also effectively reduces heat loss. Choose the best answer from below. Do check point 5 on the next page.